Imagine an F5 tornado striking a small town not just once or twice, but 3 times. There are very few places in the world that have witnessed such a harrowing history, and that town is Tanner, Alabama. Tanner is a small community in the U.S. state of Alabama, but its name will forever be remembered in the history of weather events. On April 3, 1974, during the Super Outbreak, 2 F5 tornadoes tore through Tanner within a span of just a few hours. The first tornado devastated the town. People had barely begun to recover when a second F5 tornado swept through the same area, reducing the remaining buildings to rubble. But Tanner's ordeal did not end there. On April 27, 2011, another ferocious EF5 tornado struck the same area. Wind speeds exceeded 200 miles per hour, approximately 320 kilometers per hour. Sturdy homes, trees, and even utility poles were uprooted. The entire area came to resemble a battlefield. Having endured 3 consecutive devastating tornadoes, Tanner is often referred to as the town hit by 3 F5 tornadoes. Tanner's story is not just about a natural disaster. It is a story of human resilience and the determination to rise again. Even today, the town reminds us of how small humans are in the face of nature's power, yet how immense human courage can be. If you enjoy such real and thrilling weather stories, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.